By the end of this video, you will be able to create any 3D model in minutes for free by using this AI tool. You can use the model in any of the 3 softwares such as Blender, Maya or Unreal Engine or any of your favorite softwares. So with that being said, let's get on with the video. So in this video, we're going to be using Meshy.ai. So click the link in the description and you will get 1 month of free access to their Pro plan. That is literally amazing because it costs quite a lot of money to get the Pro plan, and if you use the link in the description, you get it for free. So first thing first, once you logged in, you'll see the home page, the community page. Now I'm going to quickly go through it and what it looks like. So when you scroll down, you'll notice that you can download these for free. You can download these models over here, these lots of models that you can download. So you can just press the download button and you can choose it if you want to download as an FBX, OPG, GLP, whichever, or a .blend if you're using Blender. Okay, so but we want to create our own models. So you can do text to 3D, image to 3D, AI texturing, and much more. We're going to do text to 3D for this specific video. And as you can see over here, you're going to see your recently created models. But as you can see, I created this vampire one before creating the video, and I was just testing it out and it's actually looking cool. As you can see over here on the top right, you'll see how many coins you have, and remember, each generation costs 10 coins. So I think you can have in your Pro plan about 20 or 30 models generated. Okay, so first thing first, you need to type in a prompt. So we're gonna go over here to ChatGPT to type in our prompt. So let's go to ChatGPT. So we're going to cleanse. Once it's done, we're going to copy and paste this into over here to our prompt. Once you have done that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to just click generate, and it's going to start generating. And once you've done that, it's going to quickly generate it. So once your 4 models have been generated, now you need to choose one. So we're going to click over here and we're going to choose one. So over here, the 4th one, we can see that we have 2 models. I liked the top. This one looked like Batman for some reason. And yeah, let's just choose this one over here. I like this one over here. Then we're going to confirm it, and that's going to cost another 10 coins. You can check the poly count. I'm going to keep it the same. And remember to generate the texture as well, because you want it to be with the texture. So once your model and texture have been confirmed and made, you can then click on this and check it out. That looks amazing. See, you literally create a model in like less than a minute, maybe more than a minute when you're generating it, and you don't have to do anything. Maybe when you're actually modeling it yourself, it takes like a month or so to create this. And look at that, it looks amazing. Then the next step is to download this, and I'm going to download this as an FBX file. And let's click download. Once it has been downloaded, we're going to go to Blender, where I'm going to import it. Once you've opened Blender, we're going to go to File, Import it as an FBX, because that was our file type. And we're going to go into downloads, that's where it was, over here. But then as we can see, it has imported our superhero character. Let's go over here to material preview, and look at that, looks amazing. Let's go into edit mode. You'll notice that it has quite a lot of geometry, I believe. You can see the count over here. We have 5,000, and you have a lot of seams as well. But other than that, this looks amazing. This is not rigged. You have to rig it yourself. But as you can see, the model is now created and ready to use. And that is literally it. That is how you can create your models in minutes using this free AI tool. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.